Welcome back to all my clients worldwide. Today I'll be talking on the Taurus Lagna 2023, how it will go, right? So the countdown was, I said it will begin from yesterday. I did it for Yrs Lagna. Today I'm doing for Taurus. The rest I'll do it as the day passes by. So Taurus Lagna 2023, how it will happen, right? If you see the double transit of Jupiter and Saturn, right, and your sign in the Lagna chart starts with 2, right? You need to focus on that. So your 7th house and the 4th house are getting affected during the entire 2023. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want personal consultation, solutions, guidance and remedies, see the description links below. You can always reach out to me on WhatsApp. These are paid services. So I was talking on the Taurus Lagna 2023 कैसा जाएगा वृषभ राशि के लिए 2023, अच्छा जाएगा बुरा जाएगा. तो आपका 7th हाउस एक्टिवेट हो रहा है. योर 7th हाउस इज गेटिंग एक्टिवेटेड, द बिजनेस हाउस, द पार्टनरशिप हाउस, द मैरिज हाउस, राइट? सो एनीबडी